one is where? Open this and then button is
this one.
here, right? Here,
Yeah.
my first time trying the roof because it was in the workshop.
Hmm.
Oh!
Now you know.
My roof works!
Actually, the brake is not that good, but you should be careful with the brakes.
So all of you wondering who is this? This is Mark from Titan Suspensions.
Hello.
The magic is from this guy over here. Any car you have that you think you cannot get suspensions for, come to him and he'll mati malu ah.
Long time didn't drive manual.
No, part of the conversion they did, the idle time is a bit different lah. So first and foremost, I'm not crashing on the bump. So normal slow drive, okay lah, comfortable lah.
Yes.
Comfortable lah.
Definitely. I would say definitely more comfortable than the stock ones.
Yeah. Yeah. Brakes a bit squishy.
They're spongy as well, the brakes.
It doesn't rock and float or does all that lah.
It doesn't bounce as well.
Doesn't bounce lah.
You heard the sound, right? Click, click.
Yeah.
The sound is from the what we call the steering rack sound.
Steering rack or tire end?
It could be the steering rack, it could be the tire end. It should be, that part. So you better get it checked lah. And the brakes also.
Yeah.
You try to notice if you hold on the brakes, the sound gets lesser.
When you hold on the brakes, the sound gets lesser?
Yes, it is. Because the steering pin. Yep.
Pass!
Good, huh? They haven't really pushed the car yet.
I mean, I can hear the noise talking about the front there.
Yes.
And it's very flat lah. You know? But even there, I mean, it's not lower, isn't it? It's lower than stock.
I would say this is a stock height. Recommend to go for a stock height because this car stock height, I would say that not too high and not too low. I think it's nice. See, when you rush on the bump also, it doesn't scrape at all.
Yeah.
You can just go onto the bump. No issue.
I mean, it's definitely tight lah. It's not like a normal car stock is like bouncy, the pliancy is there.
Yes.
This is like up, it's there, it comes back, but not to the point it hurts your back lah.
Yep, exactly.
And the other thing is, like, when you like press here, and then if I change here, if I take my time, the way it kind of push forward,
Yes.
I always find that stock shocks, the car will dip front and dip backward.
Yeah, it goes backward and frontward. So the car is like go like that.
Yeah,
it goes like that.
I hate it. Here you can see when I let go of the suspension, it's flat and you almost feel like you push the back of the seat.
Yes.
So the G-force is very apparent. And
Exactly.
sharp corner.
You want me to take you for a ride?
Can. You want right?
Sure.
Okay, now I'll leave the master to show me what I can do.
Nah, it's not. Chill.
You want right?
I think we stop further down because here's the main road. Stop further down. Further down. Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Drop it here. Cool, my turn.
Okay.
Ah,
Now I get scared lah.
nah.
Proper scared lah now.
Wow.
I've been talking to you about this project for 3 years, right?
Is
for
it?
for 2 years plus. I said, hey, Mark, I bought this car. I want to do. For almost 2 years plus, I'm talking about this car. Finally, the car came to you to do this work.
Part of the reason because MCO.
Well, MCO and a lot more, you know.
Yep. Well, let's get into it. Should off the aircon, you know what? Off lah. I always like a manual car, especially like this kind of car. Manual is good.
Yeah.
Now you be the passenger, try to feel the damper.
The true test, I guess, is the passenger. How they feel.
Yes.
They feel confident or they feel sick or they feel whatever.
So on the slow drive, you can feel the car. It seems more comfortable and it feels more solid than before.
No, earlier it was very like bouncy a bit.
Yeah.
Because this is meant to be a more cruiser, comfortable car.
Yeah.
But now it's like it's tight.
Yes.
Woo!
Sharpton. That's how you're gonna drive a mid-engine car, man.
Big engine car, man. Push it to the corner.
Yes. You have to really floor the throttle on it. See how you're gonna drive a MR car. At a speed at 120, the car feels
120 in this, huh?
130 already. Hard braking is
Mid-engine
it?
car.
Yes. See when the hard drive, the car doesn't feel dive also. You have to even floor the throttle in the corner. That's called mid-engine.
Fuck, man. Woo!
This is a Porsche.
Porsche! Old school Porsche.
Yes.
The manual was worth it.
Yes, I still love the drive. I mean with the manual, it's good. You feel the G there?
Feel the G. It's like I think there's a long way for me to learn how to drive the car.
Manual car, I mean this MR is easy for you to learn. If it's a RR, it's gonna be a little bit difficult.
So here we have a Mercedes E-Class that came for a new set of shocks. As you can see there, this is what is on now and this is what it's going to get there. Just looking at the shock themselves, you can see that it's just so much more beefier, thicker, and it's the full thing. Obviously, the springs as well as dampness, rear and front, and comes with its own toolkit to for you to adjust it. It's high, low, soft, hard, and I think like 32 clicks, if I'm mistaken. Hey Mark, come over. That's the boss there, Mark.
Hi.
Hey Mark.
How are you?
Okay, so this is the SP3, is it?
Yes, it is.
What am I on now?
SP3.
SP3 or so?
Yes.
So what's your range? SP3 is the top end spec you have now?
I would not say there's a top range. We have a higher range also, but why we propose to you SP3? Because SP3 is more suitable for Malaysia road condition and family usage.
Okay.
So it gives it more comfortable compared to stock. At the same time, you can push the car even harder than the original.
So people who don't know about Titan, and there are many people who don't know about Titan, and they get okay. Before this let me talk about Titan A lot of people talk about Titan and they say, yeah, one second, camera. Yeah, about Titan So on my A6 before, you on Titan, and Mark also was on Titan,
Yes.
A6, and people say, Thana, why are you on Titan? And Titan seems to be very harsh, they say And my response is this if you do not know what you want in your car, don't get Titan. That's how I see it Because a lot of times people come in there, they say, oh, I want sporty, I want this and that, and this guy here will tell, and okay, fine, I'll do for you, and they like it for the first hour. Then after that, like, oh, I want this instead, So people who are not sure what they want, you got a problem, And that's where I think you got to be true to yourself, what is you're after, and he will help you to set the car up. Now, in terms of setting, what can you do to the car? I know it's high, low, soft, hard.
Yes, high, low, soft, hard, and body shift.
What's body shift?
Body shift is to adjust the right height without compromising the the stroke of the suspension.
So that's like, is it the size of where this is located?
Yes, let me show you a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. When we adjust the ride height, we don't suggest customer to adjust from the spring track here. We
Okay.
adjust from the body.
Oh.
To make the whole shock longer.
I see. Okay.
Without compromising
So
the-
normally when they do soft, I mean the high and low, they always adjust the
Spring.
the spring.
Yes.
So the spring gets harder, and by being low,
Compressing more.
by being low, you're becoming harder.
Yes.
But here it's saying it can become low and still be comfortable because you can do body shift.
Yes.
Ngam. Understand. And these are all like really thick aluminum quality materials. You know, it's got metal milled. Wow, and all in-house, right?
Yes.
Malaysia boleh, boss. All this from Malaysia.
Buatan Malaysia.
And I'm very proud because if you see, even in Germany, I think the guys were doing the Vira, isn't it? The Vira,
Yes, the Vira.
the Vira on the track in Nürburgring. They got the chocks from my friend Mark here from Titan, and they're doing it there. So people all across the world are buying from Malaysia. India is a big market for you, I think. I heard.
We are starting to supply to India, Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines as well.
Exactly, and I think a lot of customers are also for air suspensions. I'm
Yeah,
not-
and the conversion, especially
Today
like
there's not any here.
Range Rover.
Oh, where?
That
Range
one,
Rover.
That big guy.
That big guy there.
Yes, that
Yeah.
is the Amatic conversion we just did.
Yeah. So a lot of the work, whatever car you have, you can come here. Except it's MGF. MGF is it's a bit difficult.
That
but
one we surrender.
that's the only car they couldn't do. But other than that, most cars they can do it. It's fantastic. My Boxster is there. It's fantastic, guys. It's awesome. You'll see more videos on it. And Mark, thank you so much.
Thank you.